Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery. In this key fob here, you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery, like this, 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this, and here on the back, you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button, and when you slide it this way, you can pull this mechanical key out. So, when you remove this mechanical key, right in this side at the bottom, you see this one. Now here, between these two plastic pieces here, you need to insert the mechanical key right here, insert it, and twist it a little bit, and when you twist it a little bit, this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now, when you separate this fob into two pieces, right after that, here, you zero that battery. In this side. This here is the side with the buttons facing down. And now, this battery, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here and push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. And now when you insert your new battery over here, take the two pieces again, align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together like this. When you snap them together, take your mechanical key, put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning here, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.